Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. It doesn't matter which season it is, I love my salad, but probably more so during the warmer months of the year. I've posted over 50 recipes and here's another one to add to the list. My Mexican chicken salad. Loaded with deliciousness, this amazing salad is incredibly healthy. It's a great light meal to enjoy this summer. So let's get cooking. Here we have 2 large chicken breasts and we'll simply season them with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll also season with this one, tagine, which is a popular Mexican spice blend that has a gorgeous chili lime flavor. From here, we can grill them on a barbecue or the stovetop, otherwise use my oven method, which the link is on your screen. I opt for the barbecue, and what we'll do after it's done is to cover the meat with foil and let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. This will give time for the juices to redistribute. Meanwhile, we'll prep the other ingredients. One that I want to highlight is avocado. After cubing it, we'll squeeze a lime over and stir to coat, preventing the fruit from turning black due to oxidation. Now, to assemble, we'll evenly place torn lettuce on 2 plates and then chicken slices in the center, leaving a space at one end to put the red onions. At each corner, clockwise, we'll put corn kernels, black beans, cherry tomatoes, and avocados. We'll separate the corn kernels, black beans, and tomatoes, avocados with crumbled cotija cheese. We'll drizzle on my Mexican salad dressing, which the link is on the top right corner of your screen, and finally sprinkle the ingredients with chopped cilantro. And my friends, this is our Mexican chicken salad. Loaded with yumminess, this salad is perfect to enjoy anytime. It's a lovely light meal that everyone will love. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!